We're going back to the 80s with a Jell-O poke cake. Let's just get cooking. So start with your cake mix, 3 eggs, oil, and then we just whip it up. That was easy. And it goes into a 9x13. This is just, to me, the easiest way to make a cake and serve a cake. Grease it and pour my batter in. Spread it out evenly. There's just something nostalgic already about the smell of a yellow box cake. This goes into a 350-degree oven for about 24 minutes or so until a toothpick comes out clean. Our cake is cooled, ready to go. Time to start poking. You can use a wooden spoon, you can use a fork. I'm gonna use a skewer. I don't like them too close together because I wanna kind of create that swirly tie-dye effect. Now for the pour over. Now you can do whatever kind of Jell-O flavors you like. I'm going strawberry, of course, but there are lots of recipes for other types of poke cakes. There's pineapple filling, there's creamy custard fillings. You know, the possibilities are endless. So first thing I'm gonna do is dissolve my Jell-O in some cold water. Then I'm gonna add in the boiling water and pour it over. You'll wanna pour the liquid over while it's still really hot, and then it's all gonna set within the cake. Don't worry, it's not gonna be soggy. This goes into the fridge to set up at least an hour. It'd be better if you could go 4 to 6 hours, or even better, overnight. Chilled and ready to serve. It's good to go as is. I'm gonna top it with some whipped cream because to me, whipped cream and Jell-O just go together. Look at that. Look how cute that little tie-dyed strawberry goodness is. What I love about poke cakes is they're not intimidating and they're just a whole lot of fun. And you can customize it however you like it. This reminds me of strawberry shortcake. You know how like the syrupy juice from the strawberry soaks into the cake? That's exactly what that tastes like. All you need are a couple ingredients straight from your pantry and you can whip up this dessert in no time. Happy summer. Our cake is cooled and ready to be